Hey there everyone, Chase with ShineFi here. Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into using GSA robots to generate leads by sending messages to website owners. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out to get the full context of our project. In the previous episode, we laid the groundwork by demonstrating how to send messages to leads, export their responses, import them into our system, and set up automated email triggers. Today, we're going to elevate our approach by discussing advanced strategies and tests that can significantly enhance your lead generation efforts. Before we begin, I want to remind you that all the tools and strategies mentioned in this video have special deals linked in the description below. Make sure to check them out and take advantage of these offers. So, we'll see what happens. I think the volume here is still too low to draw any firm conclusions. Now, as for the tests I want to run over the next few days to weeks, the first test will likely involve higher volume on the contact forms. By increasing the number of contact forms we send, we can better gauge the effectiveness and adjust our strategy accordingly. Another idea is to direct people to a landing page. We can create a new funnel inside HighLevel and start driving traffic to it using GSA. For example, we can use a template like Marketing Lead Capture and ask, "Are you wanting to cancel your web design services?" or something similar. Anyone who enters their email will be automatically added to an automation sequence. In the past, I tried something similar with ShineRanker, my software company. We built a widget that offered a free website audit. When people entered their info, they were recorded as leads and automatically followed up within HighLevel. We could export these leads and manage them just like the ones from our current campaign. This method was incredibly effective, and we were able to gather thousands of leads quickly. We can also create a new funnel from scratch and offer something like a free video service. This approach works well, and we can even upsell by offering an additional service once they've opted in. For instance, after they sign up for a free video service, we can offer them a paid consultation or a premium service as the next step. Here's a quick example. We start with a full-width header, add a row, and include a headline like, "I'd like to help you with your website." Then we add an opt-in form for their information. When people enter their info, it feeds directly into our workflow for automated follow-up. We can customize the form to include fields like budget, phone number, and specific needs. For instance, if I publish a sample page, we could send thousands of people to it. As they fill out the form, they get added to our system, where we can track engagement and follow up effectively. We can also integrate videos or other interactive content to make the landing page more engaging. This whole process is automated and straightforward. I have a system where I can tell my team to send millions of messages with specific email and subject lines, and it's done with minimal effort. This level of automation allows us to scale our efforts significantly without a massive increase in workload. If you want to achieve the same level of automation and lead generation, where you can send people to a simple landing page and have an automated system close those leads and book calls, you need to take action. That's why I'm considering starting a bootcamp for those serious about this. It will be a 6-week training program for $297, covering everything, including these new high-level automations. If you're interested in this program, check the link in the description. It has all the details, plus special deals on everything we've discussed. This bootcamp will teach you how to set up and optimize your lead generation system, automate your workflows, and effectively follow up with your leads to maximize conversions. Honestly, you don't have to sell to a bunch of people to make a lot of money. You need a few clients per month, and with the volume of leads we can generate, I'd be surprised if you couldn't bring in at least a couple of clients. Based on my experience and the hundreds of people I've taught, this method works. It's effective because it leverages automation to do the heavy lifting for you. So, if you're serious about scaling your business and want a proven system to generate leads and close sales, check out the link in the description. Everything we talked about has special deals, so don't miss out. Here, we can see another lead that came in about 20 hours ago. It says, "Bob, very generous of you. Yes, we always appreciate a volunteer. Please send any errors." This lead is for bearlatch.com. Let's check out their website. Remember, we're volunteering for the first few tasks. But here's the thing. Once you get the keys, once you get a password and access to someone's website, guess who they're calling every time they need help? That's right, you. You can then say, "I helped you with that first task for free, but if you need more help, we'll need to discuss a budget." This approach helps you build trust and shows your value up front. Even though these people don't know us, they've already agreed to let us work on their website. This is a legit company, and we're completely anonymous here. This method is very effective, even with a bare-bones approach like using a quickly created Gmail account. Now, let's talk about scaling this. I can build multiple Gmail accounts and automate this process to send millions of messages. For example, I can send 10 million messages to a specific email and see how it performs. By creating separate email campaigns, we can test different approaches and optimize our strategy. One of the things we're considering is building a template to send traffic to a landing page offering a free video service. Let's customize this landing page for our test. We'll simplify the form to ask for just the first name and email to keep it less invasive. Offering a free video service can attract a lot of interest, and we'll use this landing page to capture leads. Remember, if you're going to use HighLevel or any other tools we discuss, make sure to use the links in the description to get access to special bonuses. These bonuses can significantly enhance your results. Now let's go back to our landing page. We want to keep it simple but effective. We'll change the headline to, "I'd like to give you a free marketing video," and add a subheadline like, "Just enter your info below." This approach should help us capture a lot of leads quickly. We can then follow up with a 7-day email sequence or even a texting sequence. To ensure we get the necessary information, we'll add a field for their website URL, making it required along with their name. This setup will help us tailor our follow-up and provide more personalized offers. Let's publish this page and test it. We'll enter a random name and email to see if it captures the lead correctly. Once someone fills out the form, the lead is immediately recorded, and an automated email is sent. For our viral post sheet, we can craft a message like, "I did a free marketing video for your website. Is this a good place to send it? Please fill out your info here if so." This simple yet effective message can drive traffic to our landing page and capture more leads. Once we've set everything up, I'll alert my team, and they'll start working on it. This system is incredibly efficient and allows us to scale our efforts without a significant increase in workload. So now what's going to happen is if we send out 1 million messages about this, people will see it, enter their information, and click on Get My Free Video. What's really cool about this is that we can use ShineFi, our AI video company, to generate a video for their website. If we go to Image to Video here, we can take any website. Let's say we took a website where they wanted our help, like Bear Lake Watch. If they wanted a video instead of a website audit, I can copy the website, paste it in, and then go to their About Us page. We can turn that into a short or long video. I can copy all the content, go into ShineFi and say, "I want a 1 minute and 15-second AI-generated video about this company and their website." Think about it. They will be able to put this on their website, which will help them rank higher on Google, keep visitors on the page longer, and ideally get more sales because they look more legitimate with an actual video about their company. They won't say no to a video. We can offer the first part of the video for free, and if they want a longer video or videos for every page on their website, we can charge $20 or $100 per video. If they have 10 or 20 pages, we can make $1,000 to $2,000 automatically. We don't need to tell them we're using AI to generate these videos. We can even clone the company owner's voice, add our own background music, change the animations to a cartoon or comic theme, generate a landscape video, and it will start working on their video. Now, if someone says, "Do you have an exact guide on how this works? You spoke about working on websites, but I don't have website knowledge." The thing is, you don't need to have website knowledge. Whether we're offering a website service or a video service, we can outsource all of it. We can give the work to someone else, whether it's a robot or a person. An AI can generate the video, and someone else can fix their website. Just think about how blown away people will be when you offer them a free video service, and the next day you send them an AI-generated video for their About Us page. They'll be amazed and will want to pay you. What we're doing isn't rocket science. We're just taking basic things that people need. Everybody needs videos and website content. I don't know anyone who doesn't need help with their web presence and marketing. If you don't know what to provide, you can suggest a landing page video, more content, or a button. It's very basic. Our tools like ShineRanker audit websites automatically. You can plug in a website, and it will load up and tell you what's missing. You don't even need to know what that is. Just download the spreadsheet, export it, and give it to someone who will work for $5 an hour and then charge $100 an hour. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to generate the lead. So, we'll send people to this page, probably get a custom domain, and set up automation. We're Bob Jimerson Marketing, so we'll go back to our automations, check our open rates, which are 18%, very high for cold email, and personalize the fields. For example, we can say, "Hey, first name, I'd love to help be your video expert for website. I have a video that I made for your site, but before I send it, I just want to ask if you have time to chat about it afterward. Let me know. If they don't respond, we can set up a condition to send them another email. For now, we'll just send one. When someone enters their info on the landing page, we will automatically start emailing them. Now, we have a way of attracting new leads and emailing them back instantly. Up until this point, if you didn't have any leads, now you do. Imagine waking up every day to new people asking for help. We can even automatically book calls with them. It's all built into the system. We can sync our calendar and send them a booking link when they say yes. This will allow them to book a call with us, and we just get on the phone with them. I'll keep experimenting with this, but I don't want to make this video too long. I do want your feedback. If you want me to do a new bootcamp called Robot Profits, where I show you everything from A to Z on how to set up this system, please respond with yes or let me know. Feel free to send me an email. Your feedback is very helpful. That's it for today. I'll keep working behind the scenes. If I get enough interest, I'll push this live. If not, it's all good. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. See you very soon. Until then, happy money making. See you next time. Bye.